Okay, take one. Starting again. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Oh, just trod on something nasty. So, over here, we're checking this out. We're seeing that. A little bit of holly down there. I'm going to come over here. Put this down here. And what are we going to do? I'll stop the recording. Okay, take two. Well, we hope it's two anyway. Let's go down and have a look down here. I really don't like this solution at all. I'm not very happy. Not the least bit happy. Not even to work through that number. Stand here. Nothing really starting. So here we go. See if this works. That's final check, and we're about to stop now. So stopping now. Okay, take one. Starting again. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Oh, just trod on something nasty. So, over here, we're checking this out. We're seeing that. A little bit of holly down there. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put this down here. And what are we going to do? Going to stop the recording. Okay, take two. So we hope it's two anyway. Let's go down and have a look down here. So here we go. See if this works. And that's the final check, and we're about to stop now. So stopping now. Okay, last test, and just see if this is any good, if it's any better. I am swapping hands around at the moment because I haven't got a decent grip on it. But we'll try this again now as a final test. And we'll see how this works. And yeah. That's with on wind only microphone. And we got nothing fancy. Just wind only microphone. And that's about it. Oh, cat's back out. He wants another drink. You only just had a bloody drink. Give him some more. He'd be sick. Can't hurt him too much, I suppose. What's that rubbish doing down there? Oh, I don't know. Get rid of it because nobody else bloody will. Oh, more bindweed. Get him by the roots. You had enough, have you? Yeah. Okay, so I'm on nothing fancy, just wind only. And I'm just going to see how that works. Just did a quick flip, that probably made a hell of a noise. We'll have to see how it goes. We'll get another windy day again shortly, and we'll see how well it copes with that. Oh. I'd have thought my cactus would be doing a lot better in this weather. Probably cold overnight, doesn't like it. It'll warm up. I'll probably have to bring it in over the next couple of days. Now that I've got this, hopefully I've got this bloody noise problem sorted out. Yep. Anyway, we're going to turn this off. I think the trick is not to be moving your fingers around on this damn thing. So it's pretty hard when you want to switch between forward . Anyway, I've got stuff to do now. So acceptable would be good. Perfect would be better, but we're not going to get there. Acceptable and watchable I will settle for. But there's one good thing, pulling out the positives. I've proven that my lav mic works well. I've also proven that it could be a hell of a mess, and I can see so much going wrong. You know, because I do, you know, I'm going to be out there doing lots of stuff, not just filming with this. I'll have other cameras, and you can soon see running out of battery, and leaving it on, forgetting to turn it off, or turning it on, turning it off by itself in my pocket. I can see lots of things going wrong. So I have clips missing, the sound won't match up. I can just see disaster happening with that. So we'll see anyway. Yeah. The cat agrees. The cat agrees. Don't you, Puss? 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 Do you agree, sir? Yes, sir, he said. Yes, sir.